Hello everyone, we'd like to share our research project with you, which is called MANOVA. MANOVA stands for Multivariate Analysis of Variance. It's a statistical test used to compare the means of two or more groups on two or more dependent variables simultaneously. Think of it like a power extension of ANOVA, which only looks at one dependent variable at a time. MANOVA lets you analyze multiple variables together, revealing more complex relationships between groups.
Multivariate analysis of variance MANOVA is one of the most popular multivariate statistical techniques in the study of social science. While there is a single universal formula for MANOVA, it relies on the same fundamental principle as ANOVA. The core idea is to partition variance within and between groups, but MANOVA extends this to multiple dependent variables.
In our research on the statistical test of MANOVA, these are the following. 1. Realized trace. 2. Weeks lambda. 3. Hoteling's trace. And 4. Roy's largest roots.
We will only share with you Wilks Lambda, its formula and what else it entails. Wilks Lambda is a statistical measure used primarily in multivariate analysis of variance and discriminant analysis. It assesses the significance of group difference across multiple dependent variables by comparing the variance within groups to the variance between groups. The formula for Wilks Lambda is lambda equals to the absolute value of E divided to the absolute value of T.
Education. Comparing the effectiveness of different teaching methods on multiple learning outcomes. Psychology. Examining the impact of therapy or multiple psychological symptoms. Marketing. Analyzing the effectiveness of different advertising campaigns on brand awareness, purchase intent, and customer satisfaction.
The sum of squares in a multivariate analysis of variance MANOVA is a measure of squared deviations from the mean within and between the independent variable. The total sum of squares in MANOVA is called T, or sum of squares and cross product matrices.
So, this is our research, and thank you for watching.